Manubay is going in, and Vinal. So 60 minutes completed here. As it is, Navua and Lambasa are there, but we have 30 minutes to complete. Out of the way. Shot taken there by Lakima. And now Lambasa has to go back and reset things for themselves. Isake Nandovo. Zainal. Zainal brings it to the middle, and Christopher Wasasala did well. He came in to help the midfielders. Colinio Sivoki, Nandovo, Isake Nandovo, and throw-in is what they earn from the situation. So Nandi is out, and some Nandi people are now cheering for Lambasa. And Fuad and his friends out there, Alam and them. Yeah, if this game ends in a draw, then Lambasa and Navua will qualify. If Navua wins this one, then Rewa will qualify with Navua. And if Lambasa wins, then the equation remains in favor of Lambasa. Together with Navua, they will qualify. And that will make Lambasa the group winner as well if they win this one. Clear the way. If there is a draw, then Navua is the group winner. And Lambasa, the runners-up. And Akemi Ralolo there for Rosiate, taken away there. Colinio Sivoki's clearance, chasing is Jackson Wale. Justing down Lekima, Asnil Raju, away from two Navua players. They do well there. Arami's pass. Arami's clearance now. Racing back is Simeone Rangone Turanga. And he did well there, Simeone, as Navua bench, sitting focused and composed. Cleared the way by Arami, the younger brother of Colinio Sivoki, number 17. And this time Isake Nandovo did well. Injured in the middle is Christopher Wasasala. Advantage played by the referee. The shot taken, and that will reach the crowd. Christopher Wasasala and Akemi Ralulu, both of them are not feeling well. Watch this man, the comedian in the Navua lineup, the hard-working player, Simeone Dumoni. But this is not comedy for Lambasa. In the middle, two of their key players are not feeling well for now. As the goal kick will come in, they are okay and up. The kick comes in. Zainal with the header. No one there to receive. And throw-in is what Lambasa will come in with. 64 minutes coming up now. Simeone Rangone Turanga is on your screen. And comes in with the throw-in. Headed away by Sunny Devil. Simeone Domoni. And Simeone still. And there was a hand thrown by Simeone again. He has to be careful. Simeone Domoni, number 2. He already has a yellow card for the Navua side, Simeone Domoni. And the kick to come in from Felipe Mbaravilala, the former Nandi Suva player, playing for Navua here. Into the box it goes. Zainal is waiting. He is dangerous with the high ball situation. Number 20 for Navua, a former Nandi player from Nandi, staying in Navua now, married here in Navua, and since then has been in Navua, working at CJ Patel in Navua. And he has been here since he got married in Navua and playing for the Navua side. He played for Lautoka as well, briefly, and moved from there to Navua and has been instrumental in their midfield. Another Nandi player in this Navua lineup in the midfield is Rahul Krishna. He has scored a couple of goals already in this tournament for them, as the hands again by Akemi, and the referee has called them for a free kick. I don't think the second one was an infringement. It was the first one, and Sayed Ali from the sideline rightly called it to the match officials. Now the kick to come in. Philippe Mbaravilala sends it over into the box. And no problems for Chitoko Vulava. The younger brother of Aquila Mataisuva is playing as the goalkeeper for Lambasa. Dumoni, and they set it up. That's a straight one, but Jackson Wale is coming. They have to put it outside. Elisa Nayasi had to do it. They cannot allow him space. From that far side, Jackson Wale. And goal kick from that situation. 66 minutes gone here, and Rewa is still praying. Rewa is still hoping. Rewa is still waiting. Christopher Wasasala lines it up there, plays it across to Asnil Raju, and that's too far away, but he has a chance to deliver from here. Asnil Raju goes into the box area. They bring it away. Navua still they wait. Asnil Raju is offside there, so it will be an offside kick to Navua. The kick to come in. Baravilala with that kick. And now it will be a free kick to Lambasa. Simeon and Dumoni again. The referee has a word with him. So free kick to come in. So far, these teams have not conceded any goals in the tournament. Lambasa and Navua. And here, if there is a winner, then surely one will not have a clean sheet. At the moment, both have the clean sheet. Even if there is a winner, both can lose their clean sheet if there are more goals, like 2-1, 3-2, or whatever, as long as goals are scored on both sides. But at the moment, we haven't seen any goals. Will this one be? No. The goalkeeper, Chitoko, is comfortable with that one. Quickly they go to that left-hand side, the Lambasa side. Throw in from there. Watch the crowd in the background as it comes in, waiting Chovilisi. Chovilisi Mborisi. And a huge clearance there. Jackson Wale. And in the field of play, looks like is Elias Alino. Yes, he is there, Elias Alino. Now, Wasasala, watch his pace. The experience as well of Sivoki is good enough there to cover up for Navua. Wasasala quickly receives from the throw-in. The cross comes in into the box, and the flag is up behind them. So that will be offside already. And Chovilisi Mborisi needs some attention again in his goalkeeping area that he is. They will have to wait. Everybody has to wait because he's a goal in Zainal. But I'm surprised why the free kick has been given to Lambasa. The elbow 3 times into Zainal by Akemi Ralulu. The yellow card is justified, but the free kick, where did that come from? Anyways, the kick has been taken. Isaac Nandovo clears it that away. Chasing is Simeone and Domoni. Still Simeone into the box. Missed kick by him. They still go for it. And out of play, has gone. That situation was crucial because it will change a lot of things. Some of the Rewa players are standing right to that far corner. Maybe our crew will pick them up. There they are, you can see near that scoreboard. We may get a close shot on that as they're waiting there to see where they stand at the end of this match. At the moment they are standing in that corner. But where will they stand at the end of the mandatory time that finishes here with the added time? There they are, some of them, and they are giving some calls here and there to tell them whether they will stay or they will come back. 74.5 minutes now. Headed away by Simeone Rangone Turanga. And here the bar boys, the bar players, Tiger was there, Fazil Ali. And that will be a free kick. 75 minutes gone. Final 15 remains here. Is it Navua and Lambasa, or is it Navua and Rewa? Flick Hygiene Lautoka has already got its name written for the 2 p.m. semi-final next Saturday. And for electrical and general contractors, Ba has got their name registered in the 4:30 semi-final here next Saturday. At the moment, the slots for the runners-up from Group B and the winner from Group B is still open. And that's why the free kick has been given. And he's saying, no, I didn't do anything. Rami Manu Bhai, lucky, walks away from that one. And the free kick will come in now. Lakima's kick. And into the box there. And lifted over the crossbar. That went off a Navua player in that melee. In that chaos. So Isaac Nanduvu was the man who came in the way and saved that one. Now they are waiting for another one. The corner kick, Lekima. The veteran Lekima Gonarao has the responsibility of the delivery. Low one and tricky one. And this time it will be a throw in. And Ashnil Raju this time will come in with a long throw. Watch it come from here. It will reach the box area at least. More like a cross, more like a kick. But it's a throw in to the Lambasa side here. Backed up by the crowd. A long high one. And Zainal's header over the goal line. And that takes Ashnil Raju closer now with a corner kick. Navua trying to defend. Lambasa trying to secure their place in the semi-final. At the moment, it is there for them, but they want to confirm with a goal. Here it comes in. What can they do? They're lining it up, looking for the space there. They roll it away. That chip kick headed away by Sivoki and Zainal and Gerard. Well controlled by Simeone for Lambasa. They go along that side. Simeone Rangone Turanga from the right to the left he went. And Navua, they bring it away. And that shot by Lekiman Gonerau quickly and cleverly. He tried to blast it home. He is enjoying his football, the veteran. As Lekiman Gonerau there. The goal kick will come in now. As on the sideline, the change is happening for Navua. So Simeone Dumuni, who has already got a yellow card, is coming out. And Matthew Cheritor runs on to the park now. 79 minutes gone here. Erami Manu Manubai, chesting and clearing. Sunny Devil set up backwards the time. Erami again covers up and kicks it up on for Jackson Wale. Jackson Wale's pass intercepted. Again, short passes there. Rahul takes it up. Rahul lays it out on for James Cheritor there. Matthew Cheritor rather. James is the other brother, not part of the squad here. It's Matthew Cheritor that has gone into the field of play, and that clearance now. The header comes in from Colenio Sivoki. Elisoni Lolo Ivalu, well defended by Nandubu. Throwing it is from that far side, taken there. Rosiate's pass has given the possession away to Navua. In terms of a throw-in, they take it there. The header comes in. Now Jackson Wale from that far side. Gerard Rongosulea. The flag is up. Final 10 minutes of group stages at Digicel Fijifec 2024. And what a way to finish this 10 minutes. We still don't have the confirmation. We will confirm in this final 10 or so. The shot by Asniel Raju will go away. At the moment, Navua is there with 6 points into the semi-final. Lambasa has to keep this result or get more than this. But a draw, remember, is good enough for them to go in as the runners-up. And they will be playing against Flick Hygiene Low Toka side in the first semi-final if this result stays. However, if they win, and they will be playing against 4R Electrical Bar side. But if they lose here, then Navua plays the second semi-final. So Christopher Wasasala is coming out. And Saili Muni Ravonokula. So Ravonokula and the goalkeeper. And it's a free kick there. The foul committed by Rosiate on the goalkeeper, Chofeli Simborisi. And that will be a yellow card to Rosiate and Doindoi. And the goalkeeper is down. They will be attending to him for now. 82.5 minutes. Rosiate and Doindoi laughing away and telling the story of what happened there. The referee says, let's give you a yellow card for the story that you have given to me. Here it is. Watch the goalkeeper, Chovilisi. And I tell you, it was not intentional. Maybe a bit of words from the referee would have been good enough. He went for the ball. Any striker would want to finish that one. That greediness and hunger will be there for them. He went for the ball. There. Rosiate and Doindoi was trying to flick it in, and he cannot control his body. Discount to the people here in Lambasa at the Lambasa branch of Tembara Halal Meats. And of course, the proud barman Rishi Kumar is happy that the 4R Electrical and General Contractors Limited bar side is already into the semi-final. Here they come in now. Ashnil Raju and cleared away. Sunny Dewal booted that one out. Syed Ali is relaxed. He knows they will top the pool if the result remains like this. The throw-in comes in. Ashnil Raju's header will give possession now to Winavua side. Erami Manu Manubai, the younger brother of Colinio Sivoki, will take this one as Simeone Rangone Turanga is waiting, headed away by Ashnil Raju. Now they take it across to the other side as that one, and the throw in to come in. As Akemi Ralulu will get that free kick. 87.5 now. So we are on the verge of confirming a Flick Hygiene Lautoka versus Lambasa semi-final. And 4R Electrical Bar versus Oceania Fiberglass Navua side, the second semi-final. But we still have time, and Navua is pressuring here. The goalkeeper Chitoko Vulava controls and picks to clear. Shot taken. Arami controls, and his clearance is favorable to him. Changes happening on the sideline. And we have the confirmation if the scoreline remains this way. Remember, when, as we said, at 2 p.m., Lautoka Lambasa, 4:30, Navua Bar. On Sunday, the final of the main competition, the Digicel Fijifec 2024, will be at 1 p.m. So if things remain like this, that is how it will be. "89 minutes gone. Rewa is going through a painful wait. So we have three situations, in fact. If there is a draw, if Lambasa wins, or if Navua wins. So at the moment, it's a draw. 89 and 30 completed here, which means we are closing towards that mandatory 90 and then the added minutes. The added minutes is what we are interested in. It will be and this man will show it to us. 5 minutes is what they have to complete. Rewa has 5 minutes of waiting. That painful 5 minutes for them as they wait. And these two sides here have 5 minutes to play in the final group match. Ashnil Raju's pass chested down by Sivoki. Tanyala Wanga. Lekiman Gonerao has gone on attack there. Looking for space, none given to him. Still Lekima and Matthew. Elisa Nayasi. And Simeone Rangone Turanga. The cross comes in. Felipe underneath that one. Sunny Dewal. That's not the Bollywood Sunny Dewal. That's the policeman playing for Navua, Sunny Devil in number 5. And the foul was committed on him there. And it's a free kick. So Akemi Ralulu, the standing captain in place of Christopher Wasasala, came with that foul. 91 minutes is completed here from the 95. Headed away. And from that far end, the cross comes in, out of play. What an ending we are watching for Digicel Fijifec 2024. No formalities in any of the matches this tournament has produced. Every match has been important in deciding the final 4. We only had Navua qualifying on match day 3. Akemi Ralulu headed away there by Zainal, and Lambasa will be happy to stay here as a draw will keep them in the semi-final. The change is happening for Navua. Jackson Wale out, and Isaac Raidhama has gone in. That's Isaac Raidhama, as Asnil Raju again is looking for a long throw-in from here. And he comes in with a long one there into the box. He receives it again from the clearance. He crosses it into the edge of the box. As the chance there for Lambasa! What a miss that one is! And they know what has happened. Rosiak and Doindoi. He could have sent the net feet back and forth. But that one was miles over the crossbar. Watch it here. Whoa, the body language. The body shape of Rusiate, not favorable for him. Lifted over the crossbar. That would have been the confirmation for them. And that would have been favorable for them as the group winner. At the moment, they stand as the runners-up. Asnil Raju. Throw in to Navua. 94 getting completed here. We have 95 to go to as Felipe watches that one roll out. Throw in it will be. The referee has already had a look at the time that he holds in his hand. He is the boss of the time for now. As Zainal gets it away, Jared plays it up now. Isaac races for that one, the youngster and Lambasa, two of them managed to outnumber and win possession. So 94 and a half means just the seconds as the referee slowly walks towards the center circle. Outside it has come. 94 and 50. Throw in. Taniela Wanga, the veteran, is ensuring they get the job completed here. Lambasa on attack. And the late challenge there by Felipe. The card is coming out. Taniela Wanga comes in. Taniela Wanga, as Felipe gets the yellow card. Taniela Wanga came in straight on Felipe, and Felipe stopped him. Felipe is complaining that he was manhandled as he has been taken away from there. This is the dying stages. They are all dying for the semi-final. The referee didn't allow for the play to start, and they started. They have to do it again. That spray could be the final spray of the night here as we watch. And They're okay to finish the match now. We have gone beyond the 5 minutes of added time. I think they are talking about it on the sideline. The referee, the fourth and the fifth official, and Syed Ali has come across to ask some questions. The manager has been called and he has been told not to interfere with the decision making. Lekima Ngonarao will take that one. Lekima, the header from there. Sikove was the one, and the clearance by Sunny Devil will be the final kick of the group stages of Digicel Fijifect 2024, and that confirms that